a TG.
And shine here with another big bang. You,
Yeah, you, yeah, you.
I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind,
So, go on. Yes, so right now, make a little move on the what? Yeah, words.
What you gonna say?
Road.
You want me to say road?
Yeah, so I make
Yeah,
a
so we're
little
gonna make a
move
move on the road.
Is it?
Yeah, we'll just
That's
upload
sweet.
one new video.
Yeah.
So I can check that out.
Is it? But guess what? You don't know. I'm trying to go look at a girl. She's gonna get a girl for me right now. Again, you don't know. Because she love me that much.
Never gonna happen.
Yes, so.
Will never happen.
Yes, that will happen. So, we'll link you guys back when we start on the road. Yeah, man, pour more hot. Yeah, burn up.
You see that?
Why? Turn it around, make them see what you have view.
It even not show good. So basically it say one man make him doctor. What? I got one male man.
And when you stop hard and lock the avenue starts through. Can't believe the G start, no, I just grace guys. Nah, see no blow. Friend a kill friend, war a broken at the crew. And when you stop hard and lock the avenue starts through. Can't believe the G start, no. Power cutting at the place and the energy drop. Till me ring start squeeze me and the enemy that. And when you lead to the feds, I know any say chat. Before my boss say that better you exit the block. Because me take you as my brother. Even though we no blood, they excite forever. Me always show you love, but you never clever. Jah no star, me live well, want talk about it, I just grace guys. Nah, see no blow. Friend a kill friend, while I'm looking at the crew. Man we used to par and lock the avenue starts grow. Can't believe the G start, no, I just grace guys. Nah, see no blow. Friend a kill friend, while I'm looking at the crew. Man we used to par and lock the avenue start, no, I just grace guys. Nah, see no blow.
Alright, so that's one little snippet. Right now we're gonna leave out and go supermarket and so forth. Ready?
Yeah.
So come now.
So come. So lag off and come big. Kick in your butt here. My bad man. You hear that?
Stop your shit, my nigga.
Kick in your butt.
Open the windows, I'm dying.
Die.
You're such an ass.
You say you like such an ass?
You like us?
Yeah, of course.
Give it it.
Like slap it up. Why not? You know, like us. Eh? Tell the truth. You know, I was a trouble in bottom.
I can neither confirm nor
Yeah,
deny the allegations made against me.
So you love slap up bottom. You don't like slap up bottom. Tell the truth.
Eh?
You don't like slap up bottom.
Nah.
So guys, she have COVID.
I don't have no
Have
COVID.
COVID. You hear that? Bombard.
Back up. Wrong route we take. Them black off the wall right this now. Have to go around.
Yeah, that you see.
If you wanna look for me, I'm vlog.
Oh.
In I cheer over this so.
Oh.
The man in I cheer up this so.
Oh.
Yeah, switch the camera. Suppose you drive at the phone just drop out of me and
So why would I do such a thing, Johnny?
it's not like I'm trying to do it on purpose, you know.
No, why would I drop my phone?
I wouldn't drop it on purpose.
Because I notice, you know,
But
you have a thing against my
sometimes
phone.
it might
No.
happen.
You have a thing against my phone. If somebody message it, you go on the most way.
Such a lie.
Your phone, you go on the most way. So
Those allegations.
No man. Our new slang. Check out for the merch.
Merch coming.
Soon. I cannot confirm or deny
Those allegations.
Yeah, allegations. You don't know. So talk to the people in Ashan.
So yeah guys, today we just I really don't know much way. I make a flex go to the supermarket.
Make a mad move. style so sick, nobody not immune. You know, sing a lyrics to them.
And a Tom and Jerry, no cartoon.
DJ, tell them about the song where you have coming soon.
Can I get them a little piece? You know, my song where I come
Soon. Big
alright.
Say the kingdom, them have nothing for your mama.
Alright. How the lyrics go again? May I get them a little piece with my record?
Say that record here.
Yeah, me have the record in here, so I'm going to watch chat.
You know, say that's going to your recording, right?
I not have it. Do I have it?
In your recordings.
See it here, people. I'm going to turn up.
Slow. Stop for making me
Straight from the heart, deep in my soul, I want you to know that he is the one my life I owe. Let me tell you a story about this boy I
Alright, too much that I get feel free though. Too much I get them.
One of them go to the chorus, then I forget all right.
I get them, man.
A real man of mystery, and he gets my kitty cat wet.
Oh no!
Looking
Wet
for
up kitty cat.
mercy, 'cause what he's packing is a really big threat. Love, lust, love, I'm in too deep. Love, lust, love, 'cause it's got me so weak. Love, love.
Alright. Enough.
Tell me what you think about that. She bad though.
That's all little thing, you know?
After she do the little song, what they build a song for the spot. Mama got right tune. What you say? Shana go on with a buzz.
I do something, you know?
You don't know rich.
Straight from the heart.
Alright, don't crap, babe. Don't crap. Jesus Christ. So, when we reach the supermarket, we start back again.
But things always happen, we not care, you know?
Like what?
What underman always a try.
See, the taxi man that's the other one, yeah.
What underman always a do with things on the road.
Yeah,
It's always a under.
We in the Suzuki. We not in a Honda. Them not rate we, you know? I just want them thing there still. But one day for the Honda guys, and the Benz and the Beamer.
So, when we reach the supermarket, we're not gonna really broadcast the location, but when we reach the supermarket,
You can tell no where
some people will
but it's not
know.
live.
Yeah, and some people will know
Want to
the
kill like Pop
supermarket
Smoke.
based on the surroundings and so forth.
Yeah, especially Ibex people.
Yeah, true. Anyways, we'll talk to them when we reach our supermarket. So,
Yo, bounce me. Just start a bounce me. So, you're not talking to people, them?
talk to them myself.
So, you think them just want to see a big bump on your face? You think them just want to see that?
Here to get like 2 little items. You know, sir? Around there, sir? Yeah?
Oh.
So which one?
Which was cereal show.
Yes? What the difference?
The same thing, no?
No.
No, take that one. No, the same thing, but we just this was the old that was the old. Yes. No, but I try pick up something. Go into the land of evil. Evil when you're trying to be good. It makes you be evil. People know me know. You know me attack. No matter what you say, I don't need KFC. Don't need KFC.
Hungry.
So I'm going to KFC, I'm not going to KFC. See it there?
Where you putting at the chicken?
You want no for you?
You really want to know? 'Cause sometimes I feel like something in there. But just addictive.
Cocaine.
Just hook you.
What for?
No matter how you say nah, I'm not go back to KFC. I'm not go back. But
Can't help yourself. You have to go back.
Yeah, go back. I'm gonna say cried, you know.
True. True are the only thing that have the consistent taste.
Sometimes. Depends on the location.
Portmore location is best. Yeah guys, so you know say the end of the bathroom. Boss I want this. Not the KFC bathroom. Don't know. Sanitation and upper gland. And upper wash. Remember no corona. No coronavirus. Help stop the spread. Yeah. Help stop the spread of corona, you see me? Straight up.
So basically done. Never show the whole leaf, you know. We never really vlog much because we get distracted, you know. We basically just look at all over there, so
Yeah.
so we express there. Express week is done, no gym. That's why they move, then I said move.
Yeah, no
Yeah, so we'll leave supermarket now basically. I go home. So it's really any serious. So I'm gonna see like a day in the life of TG and
Sean, sit up there.
yeah.
But a wife, eh?
I'm not too sure I care, you know, we don't want nobody trailer or nothing.
But a wife, eh?
We never even do a little intro. So it's TG.
And Sean.
The next way around. You Mr. TG.
Oh, remember that? I can't believe it just do that.
Over. Scratch that.
It's TJ.
And Sean.
And we're here again with another big
Bang.
Don't forget to like,
Share.
comment,
And
subscribe. You don't know. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're old here, we always appreciate our old supporters.
Oh, big up to Lexie.
Ashley and Lexie.
People, please. Them I try really hard.
Get them to 1K subscribers.
Yeah, just like how CC and Nathan help you out.
Yeah.
Thanks, big up to Uno.
Yeah.
Really appreciate the support. We see the improvements.
Yeah,
So thanks to everybody who come over from CC
Been
and
a
Nathan
support,
page, new supporters or whatever. Just make sure you go over to Ashley
and Lexie. Yo, them have some sick videos. Them all have one where them cover them thumb and so forth.
No thumb
challenge. Yeah. Bad piece of something, man. So the link will be in the description as well.
Yeah, and right here, so
yeah, on the screen there, so
these are them page.
Alright.
So wanna follow, subscribe, like them videos, comment, share.
And tell them say TG and
Tell
Sean
them
Senna, no?
TG and Sean Senna, no?
You don't know.
So this week's post notification shout out goes to
who that? Nadeia?
Nadeia. Yeah.
Rocker.
Nadeia Campbell.
Yeah, big up yourself, man.
Yes,
Day one supporter.
From day one, she has support me. From before we even join as a couple channel. She been a support me. Really good friend. Really close friend. Best friend. So she don't have a YouTube, so we can't even say support. But follow her on IG
I put the picture right there.
_Nads. I need it. But I know it.
Yeah, put this in the description.
In the description.
Yeah.
So thanks guys for watching the vlog. We open to say we life is not all that exciting, which is why we don't get that much vlogs. We don't really do that either. We just like to enjoy each other's company. You know, yeah, a little bit tiny. But yeah.
Cardi makes you already.
No. So that's basically it, guys. Again, thanks to all have a subscriber giveaway once we reach 2,000. So right now we're at 1.34 something.
Yeah.
So you don't know I road to 2K. Once we reach 2K, you know, it's only up from there. So make sure so now watch out all I video them car right
We
now.
need watch time.
We are trying to build the watch time. And once we reach monetization stage, guys, make sure to watch the ads.
I know say.
Come another video I got the year once we reach monetization, the video is still out there. So if you are watching now, when we monetize,